The main role of technical support is really to assist the customer on all the different requirements in order for them to properly apply our material.
We have really unparalleled technical service and support that we offer our customers. We have a field team of experts that are there to help them with the chemistry and to help them with their equipment to keep them spraying and keep their applications on track.
It's all about that customer service and to really make sure that the customer understands they are the most important thing in our world. We actually have a 24-hour call center, which is answered between 9 different field technicians. It's not automated. You're going to talk to a human being when there's a problem. Because we are a top-tier Graco supporter, supplier, distributor, we house well over $1 million in inventory. So once we determine what the problem is, we can easily ship them the part, get them up and running in a very short amount of time.
And we also have a special orders inbox that is dedicated to our customers. So we have at least 3 to 4 lines of communication for our customers to provide updates at all times. I want the customer to feel confident in our department. I want them to feel like this person is going to go over and beyond to help me get what I need. We all have the knowledge, or we can find the information for you to get the job done.
I think the one thing we do better than anyone else is we make the customer feel they're part of our family. And at the end of the day, we are one giant family from all over the country and really all over the world.